on to Fun for Kids channel.
Number 1, look at the shiny one. Ekdom first, ekdom fun. Twin number 2, doodles, yes, side by side, ready to play. Number 3, curly C-shaped teen stars, Jessie bright energy. Number 4, square wall score, cha corner, chat on or. Number 5, high five vibe, jumping happy, super alive. Six, number 6, jumping little tricks. 7, number 7, jumping up to heaven. 8, number 8, bounce and celebrate. 9, number 9, jump in a straight line. 10, number 8, let's jump